How to sell templates online and make passive income. If money matters to you, this is your door. Some people are making money online every single day from files they created once months ago. Think about that for a second. No meetings, no client calling them at odd hours, no stress, just templates, simple templates that people can download, use and pay for. While the creator, they've already moved on to the next thing. That's a different kind of income. Hello, I'm Ree and this is Money Time with Ree, and on this channel we'll talk about how to make money, how to invest smartly and how to avoid financial mistakes. And today I'm going to show you how to create and sell templates online and turn them into passive income even if you never sold anything before. No experience needed, just execution. Now here's what most beginners believe. They hear passive income and immediately think, I need money to start, I need advanced skills, I need something complicated. You don't. Passive income isn't about complexity, it's about leverage. Creating something useful once and placing it where people are already searching for it. That's the game. So by the end of the video, you're going to know what types of templates actually sell, how to create them easily without stress, where to sell them so people can find them, and how to get consistent buyers. No guessing, just a system. Real quick, what is a template? Let's make this simple. A template is a ready-made format that people don't want to create themselves. That's it. You are saving them time and removing effort. Examples: budget sheets, CV layouts, content calendars, planners, proposal formats. You're not inventing something new, you are making something easier. Now let's talk about what actually sells, because not all templates are equal. The ones that move quickly, solve problems every single day, things people need right now, like resume or CV templates, budget planners, social media planners, invoice templates, study planners, proposal templates, etc. Notice the pattern. These are things people already need. They don't just want to build it from scratch, so they pay for speed. Now let's talk how you create them. You might be thinking, okay, how do I actually create this? Simple tools. Use Canva for PDF designs, Google Sheet for trackers, Google Doc for documents. No paid software, free tools, no complicated setup. And please don't spend the whole week on one template. This is not an art competition. Keep it clean, keep it simple, make it editable, and finish it in 2 to 3 hours. Done is what actually makes you money. Where to sell them? Now once your template is ready, you need to put it where people can actually buy it. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, even your WhatsApp, Twitter, TikTok bio, etc. These platforms handle payments, delivery, everything. You just upload and share. That's your role. Let's talk money. How can this become a passive income? Now here's the part that makes this powerful. You create the template once, upload it once, promote it occasionally, and people can buy it anytime, morning, night, weekends. Literally anytime. Morning, night, weekends, when you're sleeping, while you're doing something else. That's the shift from working for money to building something that works for you. Quick one. If this is already giving you ideas, like you're thinking, I could actually make one today, don't just sit there quietly. Like this video, subscribe to Money Time with Ree, and comment template so I know you want a full step-by-step tutorial. Let's simplify everything. You need one useful template, Canva doc or sheet, Etsy or Gumroad, simple promotion. That's it, no extra layers. And I don't want to hear I'm not creative. Perfect, clean, bit fancy. I don't know what to sell. Solve a daily problem. I don't have money. You don't need it. Everything you need to start is free. So here's what you do. Right after this video, pick one template idea, create it today, upload it for sale. Not tomorrow, not when you feel ready. Today, like after watching this video. Now let me leave you with this. Templates are one of the simplest passive income streams you can start as a beginner. No team, no complicated system, just one useful file. And once you understand it, you can repeat it again and again and again. And thank you for joining me on today's episode of Money Time with Ree. I hope you learned something new and valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and turn on the notification bell to keep you updated on all my latest videos. And until next time, stay financially fabulous.